What's on? And welcome back. Thank you for coming back and having a view. We're still in lockdown, as you're all very well aware. You're all in the same position as I am. Although, again, I think I count myself relatively fortunate that I'm on a boat and have the coast path right next to me, so I can get off and do my daily walk in that respect, which is really good. It's been an interesting last 3 to 4 weeks, probably like everybody else. Been spending a lot of time doing maintenance and doing bits and bobs around the boat, and spending a lot of time chilling and just relaxing, catching up with friends, making new friends, which is also always rather good. So I thought I'd just put together a little short video, show you a few of the things that have been happening here on board. Plenty of sanding, plenty of reading when it's been raining, a few little issues with burst water pipes, which caused a little bit of fun with a little bit of leakage inside the boat. A little bit of swimming, sort of instead of doing out for a walk. Generally just chilling and enjoying enforced solitude, which is rather nice. Having said enforced solitude, I am very fortunate as well that my son is down here with me too, so we've been keeping each other company, having a good laugh, keeping on top of life, doing the odd little haircut just to get ourselves trying to get back and looking semi-smart and semi-human again. So hopefully you enjoy. I'll let you have a watch and I'll catch you again at the end. Thank you very much. So that's pretty much been my life on board for the last 3 or 4 weeks. Relatively monotonous, but then everyone's in the same boat, so to speak, from that point of view. So thank you very much for watching. With any luck for all of us, this lockdown will start to ease in the foreseeable future, and we'll be able to go out and do a few bits and bobs a bit more, go out and enjoy nature, go out and walk, go and meet family and friends, which will be absolutely superb. So wish you all the best luck whilst still in the lockdown. Look forward to seeing you soon. Stay safe, very importantly. And also a big thank you to all our key workers who are keeping us going. It is very much appreciated by everybody. So thank you very much. See you next time.